Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Scotty's Toolbox, where we look at various tools that could interest your eyeballs. Anyway, Christmas is just around the corner, so the obvious answer of what to get your partner for Christmas is always tools. I guess I should probably be more specific and go to traditional gender roles here. Although there probably are some ladies out there that do appreciate a very nice toolbox or toolkit. Let's face it, most of the time it's the ladies or the kids buying tools or working out a present for dad. And I'm just saying, the best present for dad is tools. It's always tools. If it's not tools, then it's a gift card so they can buy some tools. You'll never go wrong with tools. Just telling you, all right? And, of course, Kincrome have released their Christmas Advent calendar already. Currently, it is September, and I've had this for over a week. So, yeah, I think they've gone a little bit early. However, it is that time of year again. So, Kincrome Advent calendar. Every year they do this. They give it... What the hell? Where did all those ants come from? Interesting. Somehow my box picked up a bunch of ants from somewhere and I don't know why. Anyway, let's get away from the ants. Yes, Kincrome released a toolkit. I'm just going to leave that in. Released their Christmas toolkit. We get one every year. Last year I gave away one and kept one for myself. I'm going to do the same this year. So this is going to be my one, and we're going to give one away to one of you lucky fans out there. That'll happen a little bit closer to Christmas. But, I just don't even know where these ants just suddenly appeared from. Okay. Anyway. So, here be spoilers. If you want to know what's in this kit, keep watching. If you don't want to know, then maybe go watch another Scotty's Garage or Scotty's Toolbox video because, I'm going to do a reveal right now. They do have it that you peel this part off before you gift it, so it's a bit of a surprise to whoever's getting the gift. But, the big question is, should I wait until Christmas to open it? Sure, that'd be nice, but I am not. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to open it now because I'm an adult and I can make my own choices. Alrighty, so as I said, here be spoilers. So look away if you don't want to know what's in this kit. But otherwise, we're going to do an unboxing. Ants and all. Alrighty. Peel away the plastic. There's also, with these kits, they have a couple of competitions, so you can scan the code here and you help Santa's elves find some spanners and stuff. You can win yourself some sort of toolkit, and then they give away a certain amount of, they have some golden pieces in some of the boxes. So I've never found one, but if you find a golden piece in one of your boxes, in one of your Christmas calendars, then you could win yourself a more comprehensive Kincrome kit, which would be great. If you get one of these 5 golden Allen keys, hex keys, you can win a toolkit valued at $3,400. The Torx bit, there's 5 of the toolkits. There's 30 of these Torx bits, golden Torx bits, and they even get you a $2,500 toolkit. And then these promo packs at the bottom. Anyway. It says there, did you enjoy receiving an opening, unboxing, share your experience, and go in the draw to win one of these Kincrome promotional packs valued at $218. So, like I said, There's all sorts of things involved with these kits. Alrighty, so that's quite a nice looking little box, isn't it? And we'll start at the start. Number one, the big panel. So what they do is they have it that you can sort of stick your finger in and rip that part open. And that gets you the box. So, nice, it's like injection molded box. So they do that so you can pull out all your little tools and stick them in your box as you go. And of course there's your information there for the prizes if you want to scan the code and do all that sort of stuff. So going from there we go to number 2. And it looks like it's a screwdriver. I believe this is some sort of screwdriver and driver set. So number 2 by 100, that goes there. Number 3, what do we got? A couple little Torx bits. Right. They do make the numbers a little bit hard to see against the busy background. There we go, number 4 is up here. Another screwdriver. So 5mm by 100 goes there. And wow, this is taking longer than I expected. Number 5, where are you? God, they really do make it hard. I mean, yeah, I'm getting older, but you know, my eyes aren't that bad. Where do we stick our finger in for this one? Wow, they don't make it easy, do they? There. Ah, it's going to rain outside, which is just great. All right, so Allen key. Wow, that's actually quite a chunky Allen key, isn't it? 5, 6. Wow, they're really making this hard. Another Allen key. I think I'm going to just have to rip this thing off because they make it very hard to get the individual items out. So what's this? A very small Allen key. Can't even see the writing on it. I'm guessing that's the 2.5mm. Six. Great. Put the car outside and now it's going to rain on it. That's what happens. You know what? I don't have the patience. They've made it too hard. I've got to say, they've made it a little bit hard to get all the stuff. So I'm just going to peel the front away. My eyeballs are struggling. So that's what it's going to look like underneath it all. So with your various tools. So we've got some precision screwdrivers, some nice Kincrome precision screwdrivers. They will go up here. Is that 3 by 6? That's that one. 1.5. 60 there. Zero by 60. That one. So a little Phillips head. Come on. It's the only problem with these molded cases that they can be a little bit finicky. Grab our Allen keys. It's actually a pretty decent Allen key set. Metric, of course. So, got our little 1.5, 2.5's already in there. I'm guessing that's a 3, 4, 5. So that's all our smaller ones. And there's our 10, so I'm guessing that's 8. And then 6. So there's no 7 and no 9, which is okay. I mean, they're unusual sizes for sure. But nice little Allen key set with ball ends. So nice and long, and with a ball end means you can go in from a bit of an angle if you need to. So, I mean, a set like that alone usually retails for like $50 odd. So to get this whole kit for $99 or a gift, if someone's gifting it to you, that's not too bad. Baby Phillips head. The driver, which I believe probably goes there. Flathead. Another one of the precisions. Baby ratchet. Tiny little ratchet. It is tiny. Goes up top. Oh, in there. And then we've got some bits, more bits. Is that all the bits? I think it might be. All right, all in, all nice. And that is what we end up with. A very nice screwdriver, Allen key, and driver set. So you've got precision screwdrivers, you got some heavy duty screwdrivers, you got Allen keys, you got driver bits, and a driver itself, and then you've got your little ratchet up there as well. So it's not a bad little kit, really. Like, you know, anyone would be happy to get that for Christmas, I've got to say. So for $99, get your significant other a very nice kit. It does say Advent Calendar 2025 up the top, so you can keep track of these things if you collect them. I've got a few from over the years, but yeah. Merry Christmas in 3 months. All right, guys. We got this kit from Norva Tools, so the guys over there are really easy to deal with, and they do have a bunch of kits in stock, but you can pretty much get them from any Kincrome stockist. So, yeah. Christmas is just around the corner in a few months. All right, guys. We'll see you next week.